Add water, ice cubes, double cream, vanilla extract, 1 and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Onto the icing water, start whisking it back and forth. While you're whisking it, make sure not to move your shoulder, just move your wrist, otherwise your pretty shoulders will get tired. You can see it's getting nice, smooth and thick. When it becomes hard to whisk, that's when you know your whipped cream is ready. Looks so good. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.